Hello friends and welcome to Lot of Tech once again. And today we are going to have a look at the new Google Reply application that is being out for a while, and I have been using this application for more than 20 days now. And according to me, this new messaging system is going to begin a new era of contextual messaging and auto replies. And as this application is in beta right now, so you won't find it on Play Store, so you can download it from the link in the description. And we are going to see a full-fledged integration of these auto replies in the upcoming Android Pie. So before beginning with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you can hit the bell icon to get notified for all my future uploads. First of all, setting up the application. So first of all, you need to set up your home address and your workplace address, so that when somebody is asking you how far you are away from your home, so the application is able to find your location on map, and it will calculate the distance or the time which you are going to take to reach your home from your current location. Although this feature did not work for me, but it is there. Below that you have the auto reply section. So in this way you have different kind of auto replies like the vacation responder and the urgent replies and things like that. So for the sake of this video, I am just enabling all the features, and later on you can disable them as per your convenience. So below auto replies you have the app section, and here you can see different kind of applications that support auto replies. So I'm mostly using this application for WhatsApp right now, but you can enable them for various other messaging applications. Below apps you have a message filter, which is not that relevant right now, and below that you have a message screening feature. Now if suppose you are traveling, you are seeing a certain bike or a vehicle, so this application can detect your motion even when your GPS is turned off, and it can auto reply to that person that yes, you are in a vehicle right now, so that he can message you later. So that was a brief overview about the settings and features, and now we will see how this application actually works. So for example, if somebody has sent you an hi, so this application can auto suggest a contextual message which is like a WhatsApp. Apart from that, if somebody is sending you how are you, then this application can suggest a probable reply which would be like I'm good, fine, and what about you, and things like that. To be honest, I tested out this application in various situations, and this app has much more of a human perspective rather than just being a computer-based auto reply system. This application also comes with urgent sound or an urgent alert feature. So for an example, suppose if your phone is completely on silent. So first of all, let me silent my phone, and in this situation there is a probability that you are missing an important message or an important message from your family or a friend. So if somebody sends you a message with the word urgent in it, then this app can actually beep your phone even if your phone is on silent mode. So, and here is a small demo of that as well. This application also comes with a very interesting feature called detecting seriousness. So for example, if somebody is messaging you with words like we are waiting for you, so the Google Reply app will detect this as a very serious message, and for some reason if you're not able to reply to this message, then the Autobot will actually reply to that person, and he will ask him to type the word urgent so that it can play the beep sound on your phone, and in this way you can get alert that yes, you are getting some serious message and you need to reply to that. So apart from all these remarkable and interesting features, as I said that this application has a human touch to it. So for example, if somebody is typing you in its local language, like for example here I am typing in Hindi, so this application can actually suggest an auto reply in the local language as well. So if you're someone who is looking at this video and you're not in India, then do let me know in the comment section that if this kind of auto replies are available for the language of your country as well. So apart from auto replies in local languages, here you are looking at the conversation which I am making with this application, and it can also suggest replies in abbreviations. Like for example, for I don't know, it can suggest a reply like IDK. If somebody sends you a photo, then this app can automatically suggest a most probable reply, which would be like giving a thumbs up or an OK. So in a way, I would say this app is going to change the new way we are handling the new messages and the notifications as well. So friends, this was all about the video. Do let me know what you think about this application, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Lot of Tech.